ROOT stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Root Incorporated, yeah, the price is melting down. First thing that I want to say is that, let me come down. Okay, the price must start breaking up, you know, like shifting up, in order for me to really begin being bullish in this, because for me to begin, I must see the confirmation, and the confirmation is just like a proper shift as such. That's the Wyckoff accumulation that I'm always talking about. I mean, I'm just sticking to something that I've tested over 38,000 videos, you know, so trying to I'm not trying to reinvent the wheel. So as we're sitting here, only if I see that shift, only then I'm looking to take things up. If not, it's all good, no hard feelings. There's all these other ticker symbols on the right side of the screen that are also juicy. So stay tuned. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple linear way, click the first link in the description. That's free sauce.